What's the purpose of business? What's the purpose of a company? And no, it's not profit. Stay tuned. For the best leadership advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video. Most people think they know the answer to the question, what's the purpose of business? Come on, that's obvious. The purpose of every business is to make a profit. No, sorry. What? Of course, when you ask a shareholder, making profit makes sense. To him, it's important that his company, into which he invested in, makes as much profit as possible. In the end, this increases the company value, or a dividend can be paid out. In both cases, the capital invested by the shareholder increases, and in the end, that's what the investor cares about, right? But that doesn't mean that generating profit is a purpose of a company. Let's ask more socially oriented people about what's the purpose of a company. Let's ask a politician or a union representative. What will they answer? Well, that's easy. The purpose of a company, the purpose of every business is to create jobs and to retain them over the long term. Easy. Well, that makes sense, right? But it's not true. Creating jobs is honorable. But generating jobs is not the purpose of a company. What? The only purpose of any company, the only purpose of a business, is to satisfy the needs of customers. A company that doesn't provide a value to its customers will have no customers in the long term. I mean, why should customers be expected to buy from this company? Well, for a short time, a company can survive without customers. Over long term, a company without customers has no reason for being and no chance to survive. This isn't to say that profits and employees aren't important. Both are needed to fulfill the purpose, namely to create value for its customers. But profits are a means to an end. A company cannot survive without at least making a profit now and then, because it will not be able to invest into its future and to invest into the future value added for its customers. A company can therefore only be of benefit to its customers over the long term if it is profitable. The same is true for employees and their jobs. To provide value to customers with services and products, practically every business needs employees. For this reason, it must create enough jobs to satisfy the needs of its customers. Again, jobs are a means to an end. So why do a lot of companies often focus purely on sales and profit? If a company is in a critical situation, well, it may be necessary over the short term to focus on maximizing profits and to focus on quarterly results instead of focusing on customer value. But over the long term, such an orientation is always disastrous. The author and business consultant Patrick Dixon was on spot when he said, "Every product and every service is sold on the promise of a better future. The purpose of business is to deliver on the promise, and profit is the reward for doing so." The purpose of a company is always to provide value to its customers, and it's therefore clear that this must be the focus of your company. Be sure that your business vision reflects the purpose of your company. If you like to know more about business vision and business vision statements, just click here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.